How to normalize audio in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load the audio file that you want to normalize. Once your file is open, select a portion of the audio or the entire file that you want to adjust. Next, go to the top menu and click on Effects. From the drop-down menu, select Amplitude, then click on Normalize. A window will appear with options to set your desired peak level. The default peak level is typically set to 0 dB, but you can adjust this based on your needs. Now, select the peak level you want. If you want to ensure that your audio doesn't go beyond a certain point, set the value to the lower dB. You'll see the option to remove DC before normalizing. If your audio has a DC offset, check this box to correct it before normalization. This can help prevent unwanted low frequency noise in your audio. Another option you can choose is Normalize channels independently. If your audio has multiple channels, this option will normalize each channel individually, making sure both channels have the same peak level. If you want to normalize the entire audio as a single unit, leave this box unchecked. After setting your preferred level, click Apply. Ocenaudio will automatically adjust the level of your audio to match the peak level you selected. Once done, you can play back the audio to check if the normalization has achieved the balance you are looking for. Finally, don't forget to save your newly normalized audio. Click on File and select Save or Save As to store your work. And that's it. Now you know how to normalize audio in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.